In traditional mines, operators exposed to dust in noisy, high-risk environments impairs efficiency, increases risks. Wearable smart digital dosing solution. Mobile or pad remote mirror control. Instant operation synchronization. Safe and efficient. Via Wearable's smart mirror, operators use mobile or pad or PC for real-time mirror control of the feeder's CNC cabinet. No need to enter the workshop. With one touch, complete startup or shutdown, flow regulation and parameter settings. Digital mirror, data visualization platform, real-time cost, trend analysis, accurate statistics. Digital mirror aggregates real-time data from all dosing points. Auto-generated cost, usage and trend analysis reports, providing solid support for smart mining digital management, away from dust and toxins. Office-based inspection and control. With Wearable's smart and digital mirror, operators and managers avoid dusty, harmful environments. Easily complete control, inspection and statistics in the office. High chemical impurity content causes pipe blockage and equipment alarms. Abnormal info sent to office terminals instantly. Inspectors respond quickly to manually fix faults or fixed via remote one-click cleaning. Wearable chemical dosing system makes mining management smarter and more efficient.